Today I'm gonna show you best FPS settings in Valorant. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just launch game like me, move in right corner and click on this gear. And you will see here settings, just click on it and move here to video. In first section display mode, just select this window at full screen, move here down, select your monitor resolution and click here ladder box. Move here down to limit FPS on battery, click this off, max FPS, click this and set 120. Limit FPS in menu, switch this off, limit FPS in background, switch this off too. Move here down to limit FPS always and switch this off. Max FPS always, set here 120. Nvidia Reflex, if you have Nvidia graphic cards, click here and move on Plus Boost. After that, go here to graphic quality, multi-thread rendering, switch this off, material quality, switch this low, texture quality, leave on high, and detail quality, switch on low, UI quality, switch on low. Move here down, switch this off, and the sync turn on. Filtering, click this, leave on 8. Improve clarity, leave this on, beta experiment, switch this off, bloom, switch this off, and this too. And move here to general, and click here apply. Go back in your game and enjoy playing Valorant with best settings and best FPS. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get best settings in Valorant on PC or laptop with these extremely settings. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.